Hey guys, in this After Effects tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create this really cool looking speed lines effect, as they call it, which is commonly seen in anime, and this is a really cool effect. So first off, we create a new composition. I'm doing 1920 by 1080 HD. First thing what you do is create a new solid. Make sure it's the same size as the comp. There. On the solid, we'll add the CC particle world effect. Then, set the longevity to 0.5 seconds. Under Physics, Animation, choose Direction Axis. I'll set the velocity to 3. Gravity to 0. Now you should have these particles moving horizontally. Under Extras, choose Effect Camera. Set its rotation Z to -90. Under Producer, set the radius X and radius Z to 0. Then increase radius Y until it fills the whole width of the screen. Now we'll create a new shape layer. Press Ctrl R to enable rulers, then drag a guide to the center of the composition. I selected the particle layers first so I could see the center. Select the shape layer. Then, select the pen tool and draw a very thin triangle shape that is as tall as the composition, like so. Try to center it and make it symmetrical. It doesn't have to be perfect. Pre-compose the shape layer. Name the pre-comp particle. Go in the pre-comp and select the shape layer. Press Ctrl-Alt-Home to center the anchor point. Then open the layer scale and unlink the X and Y scale. I'll set the scale to 40 for now. We can fine-tune this later. Back in the main comp, hide the particle layer. Then, in CC Particle World, under Particle, set the particle type to Textured Square. Set the texture property to the particle pre-comp. Set the birth size and death size to 10. Max opacity to 100%. Size variation to 0%. Actually, under Effect Camera, change rotation Z to +90. You should now have something that looks like this. I can see the speed line effect starting to take shape. Under Producer, increase the position X a bit so that the particles are lower on the screen. Now I'll add a fill effect to the particles layer and set the color to white. I'll also add the levels effect and select the alpha channel. Then set the gamma to 2. Next, create a new adjustment layer above all other layers. Add the transform effect to the adjustment layer. Then add the polar coordinates effect. Set type of conversion to rect to polar and interpolation to 100%. Next, let's actually change the particles layer's solid settings to make it 1920 by 1920. Select the adjustment layer and duplicate the transform effect with Ctrl D. Drag it after polar coordinates. Set its scale property to 140. Now, I'll reopen the particle pre-comp and adjust its X scale down to 20 to make the speed lines a bit thinner. Add CC radial blur after the second transform effect on the adjustment layer. Set its type to straight zoom and amount to around 50. Next, add the levels effect after the CC radial blur. Select the alpha channel and adjust the settings as I do. This will sharpen up the lines a bit. Now it's really looking like speed lines, although it's a little bit fast. To slow it down, I'll select the particles layer. In CC Particle World, in the Physics section, I'll lower the velocity to 2. I'll also change the longevity to 1. Now it's looking quite nice. Since this animation is procedural, everything can be changed easily. You can change the width of the lines, the color, where the lines start, etc. The original fine-tuned project file is available on our website. Link in the description. Hopefully this tutorial will be very useful for you in your future After Effects projects. Be sure to check out our website, where you can create stunning customized artwork for your YouTube channel, Discord profile, Twitch channel, and more. It's super easy, and there are over 400 top quality templates available. Cheers!